Hello. I've done this take like maybe 10 times already and I cannot get through it with a straight face. Quiet on the set. Take 2. 50. Take 53. Is that you? Well, hello there. I'm so glad you stopped by. I'm Cookie, your lifestyle can-do whisperer, 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 whisperer. Did you hear whisperer?
But Cookie, what does lifestyle really mean? Well, I'm glad you want to know.
On this channel, you're gonna find things concerning home decor, organization, cooking recipe, developing recipes, health, DIY, thrift, and so much more. Life. I upload videos 2 to 3 times a week. For those of you who have been with me for a hot minute, I used to be Cookie Mix 67. Now I can do that with Cookie. Why? Because together we can do it. Stick around because I got lots more stuff to come. I'm in a new home now. Grab a snack, sit back, relax. The Lifestyle Whisperer is in. This arabesque canvas print was my inspiration. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, she parties. Ta-da! That's right, I'm painting my patio floor this color. This beautiful turquoise color. Can you see it? And then I'm going to stencil over it. So let me stir it up a bit. And this is exterior paint. Oh, she's parties. I don't have a pool here. Yes, I live in Florida and I don't have a pool, but that's okay. My patio is gonna be my inspired pool. Anywho, that's what she say. So, giving it a good stir and a mix. You want some? Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to edge around the perimeter first, and then with this long honker roller, see it's pretty long, I'm going to paint. So let me pour this in here. Got this kind of brush, an angled brush. I'm not taping anything. I'm using this as my guard. And I already got it on the wall. It's okay, it's only paint, Cookie. I'll wash it off. I was so upset. I was hot. This is just to get me started.
Hey, shit.
Just like that. I gotta get on my knees to do this. Whew. That was hard works. Okay, so as you see, focus. Look at my hands. What the heck is that? Is that a bird? What is that? Anywho, I've edged it all around. That's right, on my knees. However, I can't wait to see this done. Now I'm going to get to doing the center. That was very old. We power washed this and power washed this, and that's the best it could do, but it's gonna get covered up. And can't wait to stencil. Yay, I'm gonna paint the rest. Yay. Hopefully I don't paint myself into a corner. Let's do this. Hello. I'm getting ready to stencil, so definitely have to have my coffees. What I'm using is black flat paint, and I have a couple of little, this is the stirring stick, don't mind that. But I have a couple of different implements here that I'm going to be using to see which one works best. Of course, my ear pod fell out. Now, mind you, you can leaf blow again over this once your patio, your first coat of paint is dry, because you have to...
You gotta deal with the bugs and stuff and little leaves and stuff, you know?
So I've already done that. So I have this stippling brush, which is thick. I have this roller. I also have this thicker pile roller in case, you know, this one, to see which one works best. Because I'm a little nervous. But I have leftover paint.
This is an awkward angle, guys. I know. Don't judge me.
Best not to do too much of a glob at once, right? Let's see. I'll go ham. So I did switch out, and I decided the more practical way
Work smarter, not harder, Cookie.
is to pour the paint in here. I kept this one. Now, moment of truth. It is a bit humid out here, so let's see. Oh, that seeped through. Okay. Well, trial and error. Let's move on. Trick is not to use too much paint. Learn that. Be back. Where do I begin? Oh, let me count the ways. But first, let me take a little sip. Oh my Lord. You see what's going on right there? The flipping. This made it even worse. I followed the instructions. I looked at tutorials. I looked at videos. And yeah, I don't know if it was because it was too humid that day, but oh my gosh, guys, I had to, when I looked at this floor, it just looked like globs. And there was no definition. The color just ran into each other. Oh my gosh, yeah, there were tears that started forming in my eyes. That's nothing. Oh my gosh, it looked a hot mess. So guess what? I went on my hands and knees and I started doing it all over again. Yes, I did. Learn from my mistakes. Just keep doing it by hand if you want to do this project, or tape each stencil down and try to do it on a day that's not too humid. You're welcome. I was going for that old world look, but this was a challenge. Textured patio floors, but I did it. And it's just paint. I can go over it again, but I love the result of it. Thank goodness for Pinterest inspirations and when you messed up with your boo-boos. Well, so far, vibes, people. Vibes. This is what I'm saying. And of course, I'm doing a video and everybody wants to drop by. It's all right. But I love that the vibes. Those drop cloths worked out. That was my first project out here. Guys, look at me. I'm so domestic. Look at me. I repotted those. No, that's not a real snake. I just put it there to keep the Lizzies away. What do you think? Not too shabby, eh? If you like these kinds of video, then let me know. Subscribe. I really appreciate your time. Questions, comment, concern? Post them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Let me know what kind of videos you're interested in. And let's see what the whisper. I'll see what I can put. Do you hear the fire trucks? I couldn't make that up. Seriously. Share the video. Why? Because sharing is caring.
And as I say around here, smile your soul. Thank you for it. You don't feel like smiling? Okay, I got you. Hold on. On the notes. Be blessed and at peace. And I'll see you in the next. Oh my gosh, it's been a hot minute since I've made any kind of videos, and it's kind of like I'm like, sorry, I'll get better.
Hi there, I'm Cookie. Hi, I'm Cookie. Who cares?